Konnichiwa. Have you ever wondered what to say when you meet someone in Japan? You know, it's a little more than just hello. Well, we're about to unlock the first few absolutely critical phrases that are your key to starting any friendly conversation. Let's dive right in.
So, do you think you can learn the basics of Japanese greetings in, say, the next 5 minutes? I bet you can. We're going to cover the simple, everyday words you can start using immediately. No boring textbooks, no crazy grammar. You ready?
All right, every conversation has to start somewhere, right? And in Japan, the day almost always kicks off with this greeting. It's super common, it's easy, and you're about to learn it right now.
Okay, here it is. Our first word, Ohayou. This is your go-to casual good morning. And hey, here's a little memory trick for you. Doesn't it sound kind of like the state of Ohio? Yeah, exactly. Ohio. So from now on, when you think good morning, I want you to think Ohio. Go on, try saying it out loud with me. Ohayou. Ohayou. See? Simple. And just like that, you're already speaking Japanese.
So you've totally conquered the morning. But what happens when it's lunchtime or later in the evening? The greetings change, of course. So let's check out what to say for the afternoon and evening.
Oh, you've definitely heard this one before. Konnichiwa. Now, while it technically means good afternoon, it's so incredibly common that it's pretty much become the universal hello that most people learn first. It's a classic for a reason.
So the pronunciation is Konnichiwa. Let's give it a try together. Konnichiwa. Awesome. You've got this.
Now, as the day turns into night, the greeting just shifts a little bit. See the pattern here? Konbanwa is good evening. We went from Konnichiwa to Konbanwa. That kon sound stays the same, which kind of gives you a clue, doesn't it?
This one is Konbanwa. Try it. Konbanwa. And boom, just like that, you can now greet somebody all the way from sunrise to well after sunset.
Okay, so moving beyond just hello, there are two words that are, and I mean this, absolutely essential for showing you're being polite and respectful. Think of these as your politeness power-ups.
First up, another word you totally know, arigato. This is the standard, more casual way to say thank you, to friends or people you're close with. Let's say it. Arigato. Say it a couple of times. Arigato, arigato. It's got a nice flow to it, right? It just kind of rolls off the tongue. Now, this next one, this one is a superstar. It's so useful because it's like a 2-for-1 deal. Sumimasen can mean excuse me, if you're trying to get past someone, or it can mean I'm sorry for a little mistake. It's a real Swiss Army knife of a word.
Let's just break that down. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Seriously, getting this one word down is a total game changer for navigating social situations smoothly. All right, get ready for a really cool insight. This isn't just a trick. It's like a secret key to Japanese politeness. And it's all about one super simple addition.
Okay, so you remember Ohayou, right? That's what you say to a friend. But what if you're talking to, say, your boss or an older person? To show respect, and this is a huge part of Japanese culture, you just add one little phrase at the end, gozaimasu. It completely transforms it into Ohayou gozaimasu. And guess what? It's not a one-off. The exact same rule applies to thank you. Your casual arigato gets an instant formal upgrade to arigato gozaimasu. It's a simple pattern, but it signals a much higher level of respect.
So here it is, the big takeaway. Just by adding gozaimasu to words like Ohayou or arigato, you're bumping up the formality. It's such a simple rule, but man, it makes a huge difference in showing that you're culturally aware.
Okay, you're doing great. Time for our final challenge. Now, this is the longest phrase we're going to learn today. But don't worry, it's what you say when you meet someone for the very first time. Let's break it down so it's not so intimidating.
We're going to tackle this in 2 easy pieces. Part 1 is hajimemashite. Think of it like saying, how do you do? Part 2 is dozo yoroshiku, which basically means nice to meet you. You put them together, and you have the perfect, polite introduction.
All right, let's put it all together. Take a nice, deep breath. Hajimemashite, dozo yoroshiku. Go on, give it a try. Hajimemashite, dozo yoroshiku. That's it. You did it. You've just learned one of the most important phrases for making a fantastic first impression.
Whoa, you have learned a lot in just a few minutes. So let's do a quick lightning round, a little pop quiz, just to lock it all into your brain. I'll say the Japanese word, you shout out what it means. Ready? All right, first up, Konbanwa. What's that one? That means good evening. Next, Ohayou gozaimasu. Yep, the formal good morning. How about sumimasen? That's your multi-tool, excuse me, or I'm sorry. And arigato? Easy one, thank you. Okay, last one, konnichiwa. The classic good afternoon or hello. How'd you do? Hey, even if you only remembered one or two, that's a fantastic start.
And there you have it. You now have a solid toolkit of essential Japanese greetings. From a casual Ohayou with a friend to a full formal introduction, you're actually equipped to start a real conversation with respect and awareness. So the only question left is, which one are you going to use first?